Hey guys, just got to the Hoover Dam. You can see it right there in the background of me. It is absolutely massive. I'm over here on the Arizona side, and actually right over there is the Nevada side. You cross right in the middle right there. You cross the state border, which is pretty cool in itself. But the dam is absolutely massive. You can lean over the edge and look down. It is truly terrifying to see how big this piece of dam is. So I got a lot of good video, and I'll show you that right here.